Kia ora koutou. Ka mihi au ki ngā waka. Ka mihi au ki ngā maunga. Ka mihi au ki ngā awa. Ka mihi au ki ngā iwi. Ka mihi au ki ngā hapu. Me ngā whānau. Nō reira, tēnā koutou. Tēnā koutou. Tēnā tātou katoa. Kia ora e te whānau. I wanted to say thank you so much. We had our first night tonight of take the next step. It's called the next step. Just carrying on the journey, supporting each other. With our journey in learning te reo, not really just learning, sharing. I mean, nōku te whiwhi. I mean, I think I learned so much about ourselves. Tai hoa, someone wants to ring. Tell them I can't. I went in to do a live to thank you all, but I thought I'll do this little video because I'm having trouble with my with the live connection. But I thought if I do this, then I can share it. I can share it in our Wānanga page. I can share it in the closed event page, and I can share it on our public page. And thank everyone for turning up, for taking the step, and also to say that you're still welcome to join us over the next few days. We started today, Monday, only a beginning where we all got to say ko wai au, ko wai koe, ko wai ia. I just wanted to say tēnā rawa atu koutou. Thank you all very much. Not just a mere locative, tēnei, tēnā, tērā. Not just, is that you, bro? It's more like an intensifier. That superlative to say, I expressly see you. I see you as you see me. Thank you so much. Tēnā rawa atu koe. Tēnā rawa atu koutou. And your whānau for letting you come on tonight while they cooked dinner, while they looked after the tamariki o mokopuna and enabled you to come on and join me. That's it. You know, you were there, you heard, he te whakarongo, titiro, and you had an opportunity to kōrero. We were there, we've made a start. And on the next part of our journey, this is also a call for others who want to join us. And this is the positive things of negative things, whether it's ka mate, the other side, ka ora, ka mate he kainga tahi, ka ora he kainga rua. And so there's always balance, and these are the positive things. COVID may have happened to us, and we think of those that it has affected. But in another way, it has brought us together and it has united us. Ko tahi kapua ki te rangi. But it's brought us together, he marangai ki te whenua. And we've been nurtured now through the reo of our tipuna and the many people who have come along to learn it. So that's it. I want to say thank you. See you again soon. Don't be shy to do that mihi you've written out and put it in landscape like this. Put your makeup on and come on and practice so you can kōrero te reo Māori. I'm not even that flash with it, but what I am passionate about is helping to mana ki tangata. Aki te mana o te tangata, or each and every one of us. That's my thing, that's our thing. And when you say, oh, I'm over him there, I've learnt enough, then go away to your wānanga, to your to the wānanga, to your advanced learning, and do your studies there, and develop and grow your reo. But for now, come and join us if you're having trouble to have the confidence and the support to kōrero. And that's our 3 rules. They're not rules, they're guidelines. Whakarongo, be open. Titiro, kōrero. And just take one little step at a time. As they say, aha ko he iti, he pounamu. And tonight we heard from people some people are still, we can't quite, they're a bit shy. We can't quite see everyone yet. But we see you, we heard you, we felt you. And we felt your wairua and your desire to come and join us. Matua John Honne was there all night trying to work out how to turn his sound on. And just for the record, whānau, he finished off. And I caught up with him and he stayed on. That kaumātua who stayed on, lovely Pākehā kaumātua, and he says, oh, kei o tautahi ahau, ko John toku ingoa, and ko te mea tino pai ki ahau to learn this language because ko aoraki te maunga, and he did his little pepeha, and whānau, I just want you to know he was awesome. And remember when we tried to hear from him and we couldn't? And I said, have you got a song, Matua? And he goes, well, it's a bit flat, but it goes like this. And I'll leave it with you guys for tonight. And we'll all see Matua John on Wednesday, 7 p.m, Kiwi Burger, or Kiwi. Don't forget it's daylight saving here. And much love. And this is from Matua John. And it's relevant to us as we stand amongst our peers now and form a grove. But he says, stand tall. E tū ka hikatea, hei whakapai ururoa, awhi mai, awhi atu, tātou, tātou e. E tū ka hikatea, help each other. Hei whakapai ururoa, like a grove of trees, and linking all our roots and all our connections. Awhi mai, awhi atu, tātou, tātou e. Kia ora koutou, that's it. Good night Kiwi, pō marie. Kia tau ngā manaakitanga a te mea ngaro ki runga i a koe. Blessings. And there's another young fella, I said, bro, do you know a karakia, Yoni? And he goes, no. And he goes, I said, well, make one up. And he goes like this, bless me, bless you, bless us. I said, that's the best one, I'm going to learn it. So, bless me, bless you, bless us, I bless you. Tihei mauri ora. Pō marie, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, and we'll see what happens. All right, hei ko nei rā.